Hi, Destinee. How are you?
Good. How are you?
Doing good. Thank you. How's your day been?
Great.
Oh, okay.
Very. I've had a great day.
Nice. Nice. It rained yesterday and today in South Texas. So it's actually really nice because it was starting to get annoyingly hot. I'm like waiting for that fall weather to come in. So the rain tells us that the season's changing.
Well, lucky for me here in Maryland, I think what's today? Thursday.
Yes, ma'am.
So we had our fall rain come in Wednesday and Tuesday and Wednesday. So it's fall is here officially. It's a little warm today, but it's sweater weather officially. I got my
Right.
cozy socks and my
Yeah. Get ready to take out the rain boots, the winter boots. That's awesome.
absolutely. I'm ready. This is my time to shine.
Right? Oh, that's so good. And you said Michigan?
Maryland.
Maryland. Oh my gosh. One of my friends is actually in Maryland right now as well. She's waiting for her husband to come back from active duty.
Hmm.
He's in Korea right now.
Oh, fun.
Yeah.
How long has he been gone?
Couple years now.
Okay.
Yeah. So, but
Maryland is really heavy with all the military.
yeah, that's what my friend was telling me, but she's happy to be there because she loves the weather and she loves the East Coast. And I was like, tell me about it. I love were you born and raised in Maryland?
No, I was actually born and raised in Louisiana.
Oh,
I'm a
nice.
city girl.
I think I
I
remember that. Yes.
yeah. So my dad actually was military too. So um, around 4 years old, 3 years old, I moved to Maryland, and I became bicoastal. Adult problems,
Yeah.
but I ended up spending my summers here, and then after college, I was like, I like Maryland. I'm gonna go back
I think
there.
I'm gonna go back. Yeah, I love the East Coast. It's so nice.
Yeah. I love the seasons. It's you get four
All four seasons.
actual 4 seasons, and it's perfect.
And
It's
it's
perfect.
bearable. It's not like extreme. That's what I've
Right.
heard. That's what I've
We don't
heard.
get New York. We don't get New York. It's extreme for me because I'm a
Yeah.
Southern girl. So anything like less than 50 degrees, I'm like, I'm not going outside.
Cold. Yeah. That's
It's too
too
cold.
funny. So, Destiny, how long have you been teaching?
So I've been teaching since 2014, so 11 years. Yeah, it's been 11. I spent 11 years in the classroom.
No. Okay, so what kind of classroom? What did you teach?
I taught seventh grade math, sixth grade math.
Oh,
I've taught eighth grade math in summer school. I did algebra one and geometry in night school. So 11 years of classroom math from what sixth grade all the way to ninth.
yeah. Wow.
First, let's be clear. First semester algebra one, because after that
Yeah.
I can't explain. I can do it. Explaining it's not my thing.
Yeah, I get you. Yeah, that's. I'm gonna be teaching algebra 2 and algebra 1, so I'm like, ooh, I'm used to the junior high level as well. So I was like, okay, this is gonna be a challenge for me, but um, I'm excited to see how it plays out. So it's gonna be really
I
nice. Yeah.
love middle school. No, it takes a special person for middle school, but middle schoolers are my absolute favorite.
I agree 100%. So what was it? Just like a little bit more about yourself. Why do you consider yourself a great middle school teacher, or what qualities do you have that just makes you a great person in general?
So first thing, I know God. So that's what makes me a great person because
Of
he's a
course.
great person. He's awesome. But second thing is I love to build relationships with my students first.
Of
Like
course.
I need to know who they are as people because if I know what they like, what they don't like, I can get a feel for how they'll receive like what do they need from me to get them to connect to this lesson because nobody really likes math. So if I can find a way to make you appreciate math,
Yes.
we
We're
can
in
we
the
can work
clear.
together.
Yeah.
We're in there.
Exactly. So with that, like, and working here in my math experts and working with one-on-one, what is your favorite thing about teaching students one-on-one?
Oh my gosh. It's one kid. And then it's like we get that one, like I get to know you, you get to know me,
Mm-hmm.
and then we get to talk about the things that you like to do. We get to like you get to tell me about your day. And it's like 27 kids want to talk to me at the same time. Like I get to give you that attention, and then I get to ask you, hey, what is it that you don't like about what is stressing you out about math right
Mm-hmm.
now? And then I'm also not the classroom teacher, so I'm like your friend in math. I'm like the math fairy godmother.
Yeah.
So I try to make all things easier for you to understand. So when you
Mm-hmm.
go back in that classroom with anxiety, you're not stressed out. You hear your fairy math teacher
Mm-hmm.
in the background with all of the strategies that
It's
we talked about.
okay.
It's okay, you got it. Different things that you don't get in the
Yeah,
classroom, you get special attention for what you need. And so oh, I love it.
I agree 100%. Just one-on-one in general, and the tutoring services and the opportunity that we have about just connecting with the kids. Like you said, it's like instead of just like 20 some kids trying to talk to you about your day, you just have that one.
And
And
it,
it's so
and
sweet.
sometimes we get so entrenched in the lesson that they're comfortable asking questions because
Yes.
in a class of 20 something students, most kids don't want to raise their hand and say, I don't know, I don't understand
Yep.
this. When we get to hang out together. It's like, okay, look, this is what really got under my, like, I don't get
Mm-hmm.
this. And students are more apt to talk. So
Yes.
I like that. I really like that.
The what? Yeah, agreed. And yeah, exactly. More comfortable to ask questions or to like kind of fess up to like, hey, I don't get this. You know?
Right. I'm like, it's okay. And the good thing about tutoring sometimes, is like if you don't get it and you don't know how to explain what you don't get, I'm really good at reading what you don't get. And because I know the
Exactly.
content is like, okay, now it's a space that I can teach you vocabulary
Uh
because you're
huh.
like, this lady or a guy is talking about letters and numbers and why do letters and alphabet numbers go together? It's Greek
Mm-hmm.
to me. And I'm like, okay, let's make it make sense.
Yeah, let's make it make sense. Exactly.
Yeah.
And what would you say is your favorite thing about helping students and families through My Math Experts and the tutoring services? And what makes My Math Experts special in that kind of way?
What makes us special is that we're really personable with families. We
Mm-hmm.
create, like, we want to hear what the family's goal is, and we work together and create plans to meet the family where they are just to achieve what they want. We hear from the students, and the fact that there's a really personal touch. You're not talking to an AI computer. You can have your
Mm-hmm.
in direct contact with your tutor.
Mm-hmm.
I don't have different students. So
Mm-hmm.
once you sign up, the kids sign up with me, I have them for the semester
Yeah.
and maybe beyond that. But I love the fact that we have the opportunity to build a relationship with the families and the students. And it works for everybody
Yeah.
and it's really personal. We feel like we begin to become family.
Yes.
Like, my students got track meets, and one of my students plays volleyball, and one of them sews on the side, and I
Mm-hmm.
crochet on the side. So we get to share hobbies.
Yes.
Families are like, they got a test on Friday. I'm freaking out. They're not freaking out. I need an emergency session.
I'm here for you. Mm-hmm.
I'm here for you.
So, your students' hobbies sound pretty cool, but what about your hobbies? What do you like to do outside of teaching?
I read,
Ooh,
I crochet,
okay.
and I make the best oatmeal raisin cookies on the planet and pound cakes. Oatmeal raisin cookies and pound cakes. Like, my friends beat down my door all the time. They're like, you should start a business. And I'm like, not with my hobbies.
No, yeah, no.
But
Keep it. I was about to say, what's the recipe, but no, that's yours.
oh, no. That's proprietary information. But I do like to, like, when my friends are having kids,
Mm-hmm.
I make crochet blankets. So all of my nieces and
Aww.
nephews, they get a crochet blanket from me, and it's kind of my thing. I give them,
Yes. Oh,
yeah,
that's so personable and sweet. That's very, very generous.
yeah.
Oh, I would love to learn how to crochet because it sounds pretty. Just like what is it like? Over and under and.
That's it. I actually taught myself. I've been crocheting as long as I've been teaching.
Mm-hmm.
And there's research behind it that it actually reduces anxiety. So
Yeah.
I actually started to, and it's patterns. You can do some counting, but you're really doing a lot of, it's rhythm work. So
Okay.
I actually would, in my math classes in the classroom, like I taught my students how to crochet, and I would
Ah,
allow them, like students with ADHD, like they can
yes.
crochet while, and they actually would maintain, like they would retain the
Yes.
math concepts if they were crocheting while they were learning. I don't know how that works, but it worked.
What a
It's
brain
weird.
game. Maybe because it's like pattern driven and they're like seeing patterns and like talking math because that's all math too, it's just boom, boom, boom. But that's interesting.
I don't know, but it actually worked. I actually had to start a crochet club.
There we go. That's awesome. What else do you like to do outside of teaching?
I have a dog named Drake. So he's a 9-year-old Shih Tzu,
Oh my
and
gosh.
we like to cuddle. Um, I
I
started going to the gym,
Oh, nice. I
so I
have a
have a.
dog and his name is Draco.
Drake. I had a Shih Tzu named Draco. I'm a Harry Potter fan,
There we go.
so I had a Shih Tzu named Draco. Somebody stole my dog, and then I got another dog, and I could not think of any other name but Drake. But Draco was blonde. He was the only blonde Shih
Yes.
Tzu, well, white and tan Shih Tzu in his litter, so I named him Draco, and now I have Drake.
Well, hey, that's perfect.
Yeah,
Oh,
he's
that's
my
so
cuddle
sweet.
master.
Yeah. Aw. Well, Destinee, it was so nice to meet you today. Thank you so much for your time, and I hope you make some oatmeal cookies and read a lovely book this evening.
I actually went to Barnes and Noble and got a new book today, but
There
so
you
I
go.
am. It is fall time. It's my time to
Right?
shine. I got my pumpkin spice
Woo!
ready. It's time to go.
Awesome. Well, again, thank you so much, Destinee, and I'll talk to you soon, okay?
Bye.
Bye.